6. You have 27x plus 944. So what do I have to do first, Samara?
You have to do 27 22.
27 times 22. With your variable, you're taking 27 times 22. What did you get, Amara? 594. And what else do you have to do?
You have to plus the 940.
Okay, so you get 8, 13, 15. You get 1,538.
Yes.
Thank you, Amara. Sign your name.
Oh yeah.
Montserrat, what number? 3. GCF. Your greatest common factor of 15 and 20 is what? 5. Thank you, Montserrat. Sign your name. Matt, what number?
Number 5.
5. What do I need to do first, sir? 8,257 minus 1,568. And you should get 6,689. Matt, thank you. Sign your name. Kelsey, what number?
I mean 9.
Okay. The area of a triangle, you have to do a half times the base times the height. What's my base? Of 9. What's the base? What number 9? The base? 27. What's my height?
26.
Okay. What number can I easily take half of, Kelsey? Okay, what's half of 26? 13. So take 27 times 13.
Oh yeah.
27 times 13. Kelsey, what's 3 times 7?
21.
7, 2. You get 351 inches what, Kelsey? Squared. Thank you. Sign your name. Dylan, what number? 2. Dylan, do I look to the left or to the right? To the right, I see it. You gotta notice it's August. So let's keep it up. Dylan, does that 2 make the 7 stay a 7 or go to an 8? Stay a 7. So I have a 7 and then a 0. Should be 70. If you have decimal 0, also works.
Good job.
Dylan, I look to the right, I see a 1. Does the 1 make the 6 stay a 6 or go to a 7? Stay a 6, you have 600. Dylan, sign your name. Eli.
Number 7.
Dang it.
Okay, you're going to use your ruler. Draw 2. Keyword here, irregular quadrilaterals. Okay, those are regular. Okay, so your irregular ones you're going to look at mostly.
I got you.
Something like that.
Hold on.
That's more like a triangle.
Quadrilateral is full.
I know, I messed up.
Right here.
Okay, something like that. Irregular meaning the sides are not the same length. None of them are the same length. So copy, paste it, make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever you want to do there. Eli, sign your name. Since we're on 7, someone tell me number 8. How do you know they are similar, Jasmine?
That they are the same irregular shape.
Same shape, different
I
size.
always get that confused.
Am I good enough?
Different size, yes. Okay,
No.
Jasmine, sign your name. I'm left with 1, 4, 10, 11. Marcus.
Number 11.
Patrice and her family spent 7 days traveling along the coast of New England. They drove 994 miles. How far did they travel each day, Marcus? What operation do I need to do here?
I would say divide.
What word tells you to divide?
The word, I say each day.
Each day, okay? Each means divide, if you haven't noticed. Each means divide. Keywords there. I'm not even calling you right now. There's no questions. Put your hand down. Okay, so you take what 2 numbers and do what with them, Marcus?
994 divided by 7.
Okay, Okay, and 7 goes into 9 how many times?
1,
9 minus 7.
2,
Bring down the 9. Marcus, 7 into 29.
4,
28. Gives you 1. Bring down the 4. Marcus, 7 into 14.
2.
What's your answer?
142 miles.
142 miles. Marcus, sign your name. Sergio, what number? Okay, the area, what do I need to do, Sergio? 24 times 7. 4 times 7, Sergio? 7 times 2? Plus 2? So you have 168 feet what, sir? Square, because it's area. Perimeter, I got 24 on the left, 24 on the right, 7 on the bottom, 7 on the top. Add all those numbers, Sergio, what did you get? 62 what? Feet what? Good job. Try to trick you. Thank you. Sergio, sign your name. Jesus, what number? 0 looks at the 2. Does the 2 make the 0 stay a 0 or go to a 1? Say a 0. Put in zeros for all your other place values. Jesus, does that 1 make the 5 stay a 5 or go to a 6? Stay a 5, so it's 5.5. If you have 5.50, both are right. Jesus, sign your name. And I'm left with number 4. Monique, number 4. Monique, 2 times 5?
10,
2 times 5 again?
10,
Plus 1?
11,
2 times 8?
16,
Plus 1?
17,
2 times 2?
4,
Plus 1?
5.
Okay. Now, Monique, I have to multiply by 2s the rest of the way, right? So can I just copy that first line? Am I going to get the same numbers?
No. Wait, yeah.
Because I'm multiplying by 2. The only thing I can't forget to do is if I move over 1 place value, Monique, I have to annex how many zeros?
1.
1. And I can just copy that first line. 0, 1, 7, 5. Now I moved over 2 place values, Monique, so that means I need to annex
2 zeros.
2 zeros, and then I copy that first line. Add those up. Zeros, 1, 8. You get this number? Monique, how many times do I need to move the decimal?
Crap.
You got 1, 2, 3 on the top. 1 spot after the decimal on the bottom. So 3 plus 1.
4 times.
4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job.
Answer, that guy. Monique, sign your name. If you guys are looking at this and you think you haven't moved your decimal over and you get 633, well, if we look at this number first, if I wanted to round 2.855 to the nearest whole number, someone tell me what 2.855 would round to. Would I round that to a 2 or to a 3? Dominic, this top number here, what would I round that to the nearest whole number? So round it to the nearest whole number. I see the 2. I look at the 8.
3.
Okay, 3. Nearest whole number is the 1's place. I look at the 2, Dominic. So 22 would round to 22 or 23. 22. Now if I multiply those two, my answer would be 66. Is my answer near 66?
Yes.
Yes. If you messed up and have your decimal, in the middle and you get 633, then you know you did something wrong. Check your decimal. Okay? Alrighty.
Yeah.
The number is even.
Dang it.
It is a boy.
No, not Sergio.
Quentin.
Sergio.
It's not Sergio.
Yay! No!
Got him.
It's Dylan.
Dylan, see me on my desk.
I
Good job, Dylan.
Class?
Yes, yes.